जय हिंद डियर स्टूडेंट, स्वागत है इस मैराथन क्लास में। जैसा कि आपसे वादा किए थे कि 18 नवंबर शाम 6 बजे एक मैराथन क्लास होगा। शाम के 6 बज चुके हैं। आप सभी क्लास में जुड़ जाइए और अपने साथियों और दोस्तों को भी क्लास में शामिल कर लीजिए। वीडियो को सभी लोग लाइक करके अटेंडेंस दे दीजिए। नए हैं तो वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब और अपने सभी दोस्तों के पास और ग्रुप में शेयर कर दीजिए। वीडियो को अंत तक देखिएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का पहला क्वेश्चन। वाइंड पाइप इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन ए लारिंज, बी फेरिंज, सी ट्रैकिया, डी माउथ। आंसर सी ट्रैकिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Black water fever is associated with infection of option A Plasmodium, B Plasmodium falciparum, C Plasmodium vivax, D cholera. Answer B Plasmodium falciparum. Next question. In which of the following injury to the bone is actually not broken? Option A simple fracture, B hairline fracture, C contusion, D multiple fracture. Answer A simple fracture. Next question. Which color of lymphatic fluid? Option A pale yellow color, B red, C white, D colorless. Answer D colorless. Next question. People with diabetes are prone to option A acne, B hypertension, C infection, D migraine. Answer C infection. Next question. Who is the father of microbiology? Option A Louis Pasteur, B Louis Philippe, C Antony van Leeuwenhoek, D Robert Koch. Answer A Louis Pasteur. Next question. Which of the following diseases is diagnosed by the Mantoux test? Option A tuberculosis, B heart failure, C COPD, D HIV. Answer A tuberculosis. Next question. Number of bones in skull is option A 21, B 22, C 23, D 24. Answer B 22. Next question. Blank reveals the mean glucose value over the previous 10 to 12 weeks. Option A HbA1b, B myoglobin, C HbA1a, D HbA1c. Answer D HbA1c. Next question. In respiratory acidosis, the primary change is option A deficit of carbonic acid, B excess of carbonic acid, C deficit of bicarbonate, D excess of bicarbonate. Answer B excess of carbonic acid. Next question. What are the symptoms of active tuberculosis? Option A weight loss, B night sweat, C loss of appetite, D all. Answer D all. Next question. Which part of dendrite? Option A neuron, B nephron, C medulla, D neuralgia. Answer A neuron. Next question. Urine excretion less than 500 ml is known as 500 ml is known as option A oliguria, B urinary disease, C none, D hematuria. Answer A oliguria. Next question. Formation of WBC is known as option A leukopenia, B leukocytosis, C leukopoiesis, D leukemia. Answer C leukopoiesis. Next question. To prepare 100 ml of 2 mm sodium chloride solution. The weight of sodium chloride needed is option A 5.85 gram, B 11 to 7 gram, C 58 to 5 gram, D 1.17 gram. Answer B 11 to 7 gram. Next question. When the infection invaded the urinary bladder, it is called option A cystitis, B urethritis, C hemodialysis, D none. Answer B urethritis. Next question. Granuloma seen in which type of hypersensitivity reaction? Option A type 4, B type 3, C type 2, D type 1. Answer A type 4. Next question. What is the gauge for needle used in children for sampling? Option A 23 gauge, B 21 gauge, C 16 gauge, D 25 gauge. Answer B 21 gauge. Next question. Name the method used for estimation platelet count. Option A Rees-Icker, B stand slide for rough estimate, C 1 and 2, D none. Answer 3 1 and 2. Next question. Diarrhea take out too much of water and minerals which cause. Option A lack of energy, B dryness, C hunger, D dehydration. Answer B dryness. Next question. What can happen if the blood flow in a artery is blocked or greatly restricted? Option A heart palpitation, B stroke, C heart attack, D both A and C. Answer D both A and C. Next question. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Option A vitamin A, B vitamin K, C vitamin D, D vitamin C. Answer C vitamin D. Next question. What is the purpose of BDRL test? Option A BDRL disease, B to detect malaria, C to detect HIV, D to detect syphilis. Answer D to detect syphilis. Next question. An coagulation factor is stable at the low freezing point except option A factor 2 and 5, B factor 5 and 8, C factor 7 and 8, D factor 2 and 5. Answer B factor 5 and 8. Next question. Presence of blood in urine known as option A blood urine, B oligouria, C both and B, D hematuria. Answer D hematuria. Next question. What is the full form of EDTA? Option A ethylene ditaxoacetic acid, 2 ethylamino ditetraacetic acid, D ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, 4 none. Answer 3 ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Next question. What are the function of anticoagulant agent? Option A none, 2 preserving cell morphology, 3 preventing clot, 4 2 and 3. Answer 2 preserving cell morphology. Next question. The Causes of anemia are: option A, non-functioning of bone marrow; 2, blood loss; 3, impaired red cell formation; 4, all. Answer 4, all. Next question. The medium of vagina. Option A, basic; B, salt; C, sweet; D, acidic. Answer D, acidic. Next question. Cells for the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide are: option A, plasma; B, platelet; C, RBC; D, WBC. Answer C, RBC. Next question. Which of these symptoms is like a result of sudden drop in the blood pressure? Option A, vomiting; B, headache; C, cold hand and feet; D, fainting. Answer D, fainting. Next question. Who is the father of Graham Stain? Option A, Louis Graham; B, Christopher; C, Christian Graham; D, Edward Jenner. Answer C, Christian Graham. Next question. KFT is known as KFT kidney function test. Option A, ALT; B, KFT; C, GFT; D, RFT, renal function test. Answer D, RFT. Next question. A pleural effusion is built up of fluid where in the body? Option A, pleural space; B, brain; C, kidney; D, lower limb. Answer A, pleural space. Next question. The molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is: option A, 40; B, 50; C, 60; D, 70. Answer A, 40. Next question. The plane passing vertically through the midline of body, dividing the body into right and left walls, is called as the blank plane. Option A, median; B, paramedian; C, coronal; D, frontal. Answer A, median. Next question. Autoclave work at a temperature of: option A, less than 100 degrees Celsius; B, more than 100 degrees Celsius; C, at 100 degrees Celsius; D, less than 60 degrees Celsius. Answer B, more than 100 degrees Celsius. Next question. Name the important constituent of RBC. Option A, all; 2, hemoglobin; 3, plasma; 4, platelet. Answer 2, hemoglobin. Next question. Routinely used histopathology fixative. Option A, 5%; B, 10%; C, 50%; D, 100%. Answer B, 10%. Next question. HIV attacks a certain kind of cell in the immune system, which is: option A, RBC; B, WBC is called T cell; C, platelet; D, epithelial cell. Answer B, WBC is called T cell. Next question. Low RBC count are found in: option 1, hemolysis; 2, anemia; D, erythrocytosis; 4, all of the above. Answer 2, anemia. Next question. Prostate contribute blank of the volume of: option A, 40%; 2. 20%, 3. 30%, 4. 10%. Answer 2. 20%. Next question. The color of semen is because of option A flavin, 2. bilirubin, 3. hemoglobin, 4. cytochrome. Answer 1. flavin. Next question. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो गया है. In which of the following injury to the bone is actually not broken? Answer होगा A. simple fracture. Next question. Which organ does hepatitis affect? Option A. heart, B. brain, C. liver, D. kidney. Answer C. liver. Next question. Normal sound frequency range. Option A 16 to 40,000, B 80 to 120, C 16 to 20, D 16 to 4,000. Answer A 16 to 40,000. Next question. Largest chemical factory of body is called. Option A kidney, B tissue, C cell, D stomach. आंसर सी सेल. अगर ऑप्शन में लीवर दिया होता तो आंसर लीवर होता. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेम द स्मॉलेस्ट बोन इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी. ऑप्शन ए फैलेंजेज, बी फीमर, सी अल्ना, डी स्टेप्स. आंसर डी स्टेप्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The Neubar chamber platelet are count in option A 8 RBC square, 2 4 WBC square, 3 5 RBC square, 4 2 and 3. Answer 2 4 WBC square. Next question. Fibrin with blood cells and with entrapped constituent comprise A. Option A clot, 2 platelet, 3 anticoagulant, 4 WBC. Answer A 1 clot. Next question. Spermatozoa कोष्टक में derived from testes comprise about blank semen volume. Option 1 2%, 2 5%, 3 20%, 4 10%. Answer 2 5%. Next question. What are the function of anticoagulant agent? Question repeat हो गया है. Answer 2 preserving cell morphology. Next question. Functional unit of nervous system is called. Option A neuralgia, B neuron, C nephron, D both A, B and C. Answer B neuron. Next question. Comma shaped bacteria are known as. Option A streptococci, B staphylococci, C vibrio, D bacillus. Answer C vibrio. Next question. What is the gauge of needle commonly used for vein puncture? Option A 26, B 20, C 21, D 18. Answer C 21. Next question. What is the color of normal CSF? Option A yellow, B pale yellow, C brown, D colorless. Answer D colorless. Next question. BCG vaccination Bacillus calmette urine is injected to get immunity from. Option A tuberculosis, B. Polio, C. Jaundice, D. None of the above. Answer A. Tuberculosis. Next question. Which of the following statement is true about the IgM of human? Option A. IgM is primarily restricted in the circulation. B. IgM can cross the placenta. C. IgM can protect the mucosal surface. D. IgM is produced by high affinity plasma cells. Answer A. IgM is primarily restricted in the circulation. Next question. Lymphocytes are produced in which of the following tissue? Option A. Primary lymphoid tissue. B. Secondary lymphoid tissue. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer A. Primary lymphoid tissue. Next question. Collagen is a type of blank. Option A. Fat. B. Vitamin. C. Carbohydrate. D. Protein. Answer D. Protein. Next question. What particular antibody causes a main immune response? Option A. IgA. B. IgE. C. IgM. D. IgE. Answer C. IgM. Next question. Give the name of nerve stimulation that cause inflammation related discomfort. Option A. Histamines. B. Kinins. C. Bradykinins. D. All of the above. Answer B. Kinins. Next question. What is the chemical name for vitamin B7? Option A. Biotin. B. Ascorbic acid. C. Pantothenic acid. D. None of the above. Answer A. Biotin. Next question. The branch of biology which involves the study immune system in all organisms is called. Option A. Microbiology. B. Zoology. C. Virology. D. Immunology. Answer D. Immunology. Next question. How is a platinum loop sterilized? Option A. Hot air oven. B. Coach steamer. C. Autoclave. D. Dry heat. Answer D. Dry heat. Next question. Interferons are option A. Cellular barrier. B. Physical barrier. C. Biological barrier. D. Cytokine barrier. Answer A. Cellular barrier. Next question. BCG vaccination is injected to get immunity from. रिपीट हो गया क्वेश्चन. आंसर होगा ट्यूबरक्लोसिस. ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज एन एंटीकोगुलेंट यूज्ड फॉर कंप्लीट ब्लड काउंट? CBC. ऑप्शन ए. सोडियम साइट्रेट. बी. EDTA ट्यूब. C. हिपैरिन. D. अमोनियम ऑक्जिलेट. आंसर बी. EDTA ट्यूब. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis? Option A. Macrophage. B. Basophil. C. Neutrophil. D. Eosinophil. Answer B. Basophil. Next question. Which parasite cause hydatid cyst? Option A. Pinworm. B. Weepworm. C. Roundworm. D. Dog tapeworm. Answer D. Dog tapeworm. Next question. What is the normal glomerular filtration rate? GFR rate. Option A. 100 ml per minute, B 125 ml per minute, C 150 ml per minute, D 175 ml per minute. Answer A 100 ml per minute. Next question. Clotting factor 2 is also called option A Christmas factor, B prothrombin, C fibrinogen, D stable factor. Answer B prothrombin. Next question. Venkatraman Ramakrishnam medium is used as a special transport media for blank. Option A Staphylococcus aureus, B. Salmonella typhi, C. Escherichia coli, D. Vibrio cholera. Answer D. Vibrio cholera. Next question. Commonly used disinfectant in a clinical laboratory include option A. Phenolic, B. Hypochlorite, C. Alcohol, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Next question. How many types of antibody are there? Option A 5, B 2, C 1, D 3. Answer A 5. Next question. Blank a fluid secreted by new mother during the initial day of lactation contains nutrients that boost a baby immune system and help fight infection. Option A sebum, B. Colostrum, C. Synovia, D. All of the above. Answer B. Colostrum. Next question. Eosinophil does not occur in which following condition? Option A. Tuberculosis, B. Allergic disease, C. Parasitic infection, D. All of the above. Answer B. Allergic disease. Next question. Which coagulation is used for CBC? Option A. Heparin, B. EDTA, C. Sodium citrate, D. Sodium chloride. Answer B. EDTA. Next question. Example for a natural anticoagulant. Option A. EDTA, B. Heparin, C. Sodium citrate, D. All of above. Answer B. Heparin. Next question. The branch of science deal with study of structural changes in tissue during disease condition. Option A. Clinical pathology, B. Cytopathology, C. Histopathology, D. Cytogenetics. Answer C. Histopathology. Next question. Example for a natural anticoagulant. Answer B. Heparin. ये रिपीट क्वेश्चन है, इस पे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए टेस्ट अंडर लीवर फंक्शन टेस्ट LFT. ऑप्शन ए AG रेशियो, B टोटल प्रोटीन, C S क्रिटिनिन, D S बिलिरुबिन. Answer C S क्रिटिनिन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Dotting motility is shown by option A. Staphylococcus, B. Vibrio cholera, C. E. coli, D. Pneumococcus. Answer B. Vibrio cholera. Next question. A puff ball shaped ozone crystal are formed by option A. Fructose, B. Maltose, C. Lactose, D. Sucrose. Answer A. Fructose. Next question. The powerhouse of a cell. Option A ribosome, B Golgi body, C mesosome, D mitochondria. Answer D mitochondria. Next question. The instrument used for cutting frozen specimen. Option A histokinete, B tissue take, C cryostat, D tissue cross. Answer C cryostat. Next question. The ninth cranial nerve is a blank nerve. Option A facial, B trigeminal, C hypoglossal, D glossopharyngeal. Answer D glossopharyngeal. Next question. Serum electrolyte are analyzed using option A colorimeter, B flame photometer, C spectrophotometer, D none of the above. Answer B flame photometer. Next question. Cholesterol estimation is done by the following method. Option A Mollis method, B Benedict method, C Jack Ferry chloride method, C Japs method. Answer C Jack Ferry chloride method. Next question. Hayes test detect blank in urine. Option A blood, B bile salt, C ketone body, D bile pigment. Answer B bile salt. Next question. What type of dendritic cell is not used as an antigen presenting cell? Option A follicular dendritic cell, B Langerhans cell, C myeloid dendritic cell, D lymphoid dendritic cell. Answer A follicular dendritic cell. Next question. Lymphoid organ play a crucial role in immunity. Which organ the following is a primarily lymphoid organ? Option A lymph node, B Peyer's patches, C bone marrow, D none of the above. Answer C bone marrow. Next question. Which of the following immunity obtained during a lifetime? Option A active immunity, B acquired immunity, C passive immunity, D all of the above. Answer B acquired immunity. आप लोग एक लाइक तो कर सकते हैं ना, आपके लिए एक मैराथन क्लास ला रहे हैं, बहुत मेहनत लगता है। आप लोग वीडियो को देखते भी पूरा नहीं है और लाइक भी नहीं करते हैं। वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और पूरा देखिए, क्योंकि ये क्लास बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है फॉर अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम के लिए, जो MHSRB का एग्ज़ाम आने वाला है और RRB का भी एग्ज़ाम आने वाला है। कोलेजन इज ए टाइप ऑफ ब्लैंक। ऑप्शन ए फैट, बी विटामिन, सी कार्बोहाइड्रेट, डी प्रोटीन। आंसर डी प्रोटीन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following cells is involved in cell mediated immunity? Option A mast cell, B leukemia, C T cell, D thrombocyte. Answer C T cells. Next question. The branch of biology which involves the study of immune system in all organisms is called. Answer D immunology. Next question. Which of the following is a synthetic dye? Option A eosin, B hematoxylin, C carmine, D saffron. Answer A eosin. Next question. What is the media used for primarily plating to culture entering organic organism? Answer A. McConkie agar. B. Cooked meats medium. C. Chocolate agar. D. Lowenstein Janssen media LJ medium. Answer A. McConkie agar. Next question. Blank sterilization is performed in a pressurized chamber called an autoclave. Option A. Dry heat and radiation. B. Radiation. C. Dry heat. D. Moist heat. Answer D. Moist heat. Next question. Which one of the following is used for fumigation in microbiologic laboratory? Option A. Formaldehyde. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Phenol. D. Ethylene oxide. Answer A. Formaldehyde. Next question. Mark the cell that is not a lymphoid progenitor cell. Option A. Monocyte. B. B cell. C. T cell. D. NK cell. Answer A. Monocyte. Next question. Which of the following protect our body against disease causing pathogen? Option A. Immune system. B. Respiratory system. C. Digestive system. D. None of the above. Answer A. Immune system. Next question. Which of the following cells is not a part of polymorphonuclear leukocytes? Option A. Basophils. B. Eosinophils. C. Mast cell. D. Macrophage. Answer D. Macrophage. Next question. Which of the following is not a site of selected for collection of the blood? Option A. Vein. B. Capillary. C. Artery. D. Spleen. Answer D. Spleen. Next question. A positive tuberculin test is indicated by an area of induration of. Option A. Less than 5 mm in diameter. B. 6 to 9 mm in diameter. C. 10 mm in diameter. D. No induration. Answer C. 10 mm in diameter. Next question. The third most abundant Ig is. Option A. IgA. B. IgE. C. IgG. D. IgM. Answer D. IgM. Next question. The duct of Wirsung is a blank. Option A. Bile. B. Thoracis. C. Common pancreatic. D. Common hepatic. Answer C. Common pancreatic. Next question. Antibiotic sensitivity AST for Streptococcus pneumonia is done on. Option A. Mueller-Hinton agar. B. Mueller-Hinton agar with 5% C blood. C. Nutrient agar. D. None of the above. Answer B. Mueller-Hinton agar with 5% C blood. Next question. The resolving power of an electron microscope. Option A. 200 micron. B. 10 nano. C. 100 micron. D. 0.1 nano. Answer D. 0.1 nanometer. Next question. The nuclear stain in pap staining. Option A, methyl violet. B, eosine. C, hematoxylin. D, methylene blue. Answer C, hematoxylin. Next question. Which of the following is a gram-negative bacilli? Option A, Staphylococcus aureus. B, Staphylococcus cereus. D, C, Streptococcus pneumonia. D, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Answer D, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Next question. Diagnostic test used for tuberculosis is A. Option blank. Option A, Vidal test. B, Seek test. C, Mantoux test. D, Dick test. Answer C, Mantoux test. Next question. Which of the following immunity obtained during a lifetime? रिपीट हुआ क्वेश्चन है. आंसर बी, एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ प्लेटलेट इन द ब्लड? ऑप्शन ए, ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. बी, इम्यून सिस्टम. सी, पीएच रेगुलेशन. डी, नन ऑफ द एबव. आंसर ए, blood clotting. Next question. Which of the following is a false with respect to the advantage of HbA1c? Option A, the test is done only when the patient is in fasting. B, better index for predicting complication. C, reflect long-term glucose control. D, fasting sample is not required and can be done at any time. Answer A, the test is done only when the patient is in fasting. Next question. A fungal disease named mucormycosis is registered in COVID-19 patient in which state? Mucormycosis. Option A, Gujarat. B, Kerala. C, Assam. D, none of these. Answer A, Gujarat. Next question. Which of the following cells contains an IgE receptor with a high affinity? Option A, mast cell. B, dendritic cell. C, eosinophil. D, basophil. Answer C, eosinophil. Next question. Commonly used disinfectant in a clinical laboratory include? Option A, phenolic. B, hypochlorite. C, alcohol. D, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. Next question. The organ system which get affected by AIDS disease is? Option A, respiratory system. B, digestive system. C, immune system. D, central nervous system. Answer C, immune system. Next question. Which of the following substance is not present in tear? Option A, IgA. B, lactoferrin. C, lysozyme. D, IgE. Answer D, IgE. Next question. Mark the cell that is not a lymphoid progenitor cell. Option A, monocyte. B, B cell. C, T cell. D, NK cell. Answer A, monocyte. Next question. Presence of red blood cell in the urine is referred to as? Option A, hematuria, B. Hemoglobinuria, C. Anuria, D. Chyluria. Answer A. Hematuria. Next question. Which one is not a technique for bacterial solid culture? Option A. Lawn culture, B. Stick culture, C. Step culture, D. None of above. Answer D. None of above. Next question. The scientist discovered virus. Option A. Alexander Fleming, B. Dmitry Ivanovsky, C. J.C. Bose, D. Louis Pasteur. Answer B. Dmitry Ivanovsky. Next question. The difference between plasma and serum. Option A. Plasma has more antibody than serum. B. Serum contains cell which plasma is clear is yellow. C. Plasma contains coagulation factor while serum does not. D. All of the above. Answer A. Plasma has more antibody than serum. Next question. Serum electrolyte are analyzed using. Answer B. Flame photometer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आप लोग अटेंडेंस नहीं लगा रहे हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करके अटेंडेंस लगा दीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ग्रुप में और व्हाट्सअप स्टेटस पे स्टेटस लगा दीजिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द इंस्ट्रूमेंट बेस्ड ऑन बियर लैम्बर्ट लॉ. ऑप्शन ए पीएच मीटर, बी बैरोमीटर, सी फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक कलरीमीटर, डी स्फिग्मोमैनोमीटर. Answer C. Photoelectric colorimeter. Next question. Which of the following sterilization method operate by dry heat? Option A. Autoclave, B. Tyndallization, C. Hot air oven, D. Inspiration. Answer C. Hot air oven. Next question. Drug of choice for methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus (MRSA) is. Option A. Vancomycin, B. Penicillin, C. Cephalosporin, D. None of above. Answer A. Vancomycin. Next question. The only cell is normal CSF is. Option A. Neutrophil, B. Eosinophil, C. Monocyte, D. None of these. Answer C. Monocyte. Next question. Monocytes differentiate into which kinds of phagocytic cell? Option A. Macrophage, B. T cell, C. Neutrophil, D. B cell. Answer A. Macrophage. Next question. Viral disinfectant include. Option A. Hypochlorite solution, B. Glutaraldehyde, C. Both A and B, D. None of above. Answer C. Both A and B. Next question. HbA1c estimation indicates the average blood glucose for past blank days. Option A. 120, B. 150, C. 130, D. 200. Answer A. 120. Next question. Monocyte differentiate into which kinds of phagocytic cell? Answer A. Macrophage. Next question. Give the name of the nerve stimulator that cause inflammation related discomfort. Option A. Histamines. B. Kinins. C. Bradykinin. D. All of the above. Answer B. Kinins. Next question. The elbow joint is a blank joint. Option A. Ball and socket. B. Sandal. C. Hinge. D. Pivot. Answer C. Hinge. Synovial hinge. Next question. The bacteria appears in Chinese letter pattern. Option A. Salmonella. B. Corynebacterium. C. Streptococcus. D. Staphylococcus. Answer B. Corynebacterium. Next question. Haze test detect blank in urine. Answer B. Bile salt. Next question. Which condition is characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells resulting in a fatigue and weakness? Option A. Neutrophil. B. Leukemia. C. Anemia. D. Injury. Answer C. Anemia. Next question. The bacteria known as Hansen's bacillus. Option A. M. tuberculosis. B. M. leprae. C. Lactobacillus. D. M. intermedius. Answer B. M. leprae. Next question. Lowenstein-Janssen medium is sterilized by Algae medium. Option A. Inspissation. B. Autoclaving. C. Steaming. D. Filtration. Answer A. Inspissation. Next question. Which of the following test is not used to detect renal function? Option A. Blood sugar. B. Blood urea. C. Serum creatinine. D. Bun. Answer A. Blood sugar. Next question. Method of sterilization used for culture media is blank. Option A. Autoclave. B. Hot air oven. C. Pasteurization. D. None of above. Answer A. Autoclave. आंसर जल्दी से दीजिए कमेंट बॉक्स में। आंसर देते रहिए आप लोग। आंसर भी नहीं देते हैं और लाइक भी नहीं करते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं कीजिए। आंसर भी देते रहे कमेंट बॉक्स में एंड लाइक एंड शेयर भी करते रहें आप लोग। What cytokines are produced in response to viral infection? Option A. Monokines. B. Interferons. C. Interleukins. D. Lymphokines. Answer B. Interferons. Next question. What is the hormones that is increased in the early pregnancy? Option A. Estrogen. B. Follicle stimulating hormone. C. Growth hormone. D. Beta human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. Answer D. Beta human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. Next question. Which of the following are false ribs? Option A. 3, 4 and 5. B. 5, 6 and 7. C. 6, 7 and 8. D. 8, 9 and 10. Answer D. 8, 9 and 10. Next question. Lymphoid organ play a crucial role in the immunity. Which among the following is a primarily lymphoid organ? Answer C. Bone marrow. Next question. Gerota fascia is a thin layer of connective tissue that covers the blank. Option A. Kidney. B. Adrenal. C. Thyroid. D. Liver. Answer A. Kidney. Next question. Blank cannot be a reason for transfusion reaction. Option A. Mismatched blood. B. Compatible blood. C. Infected blood. D. Hemolyzed blood. Answer B. Compatible blood. Next question. What is the chemical name for vitamin B7? Option A. Biotin. Answer A. Biotin. Next question. Which of the following substance is not present in tear? Option A. IgA. B. Lactoferrin. C. Lysozyme. D. IgE. Answer D. IgE. Next question. Person who harbors pathogen and not suffering from any symptom. Option A. Vector. B. Carrier. C. Symbiont. D. Reservoir. Answer B. Carrier. Next question. Temperature range used for autoclaving is blank. Option A. 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. B. 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. C. 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. D. 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Answer C. 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Next question. Which of the following is a gram-negative bacilli? Answer D. Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Next question. Which of the following enzyme is necessary for blood clotting? Option A. Amylase. B. Lipase. C. Peptide. D. Thrombokinase. Answer D. Thrombokinase. Next question. A biopsy is option A. A removal of biological fluid. B. A removal of organ. C. A post-mortem examination. D. Excision of a representative tissue sample. Answer D. Excision of representative tissue sample. Next question. What type of dendritic cell is not used an antigen presenting cell? Answer A. Follicular dendritic cell. Next question. What is the normal hemoglobin concentration in adult male? Option A. 13 to 70 gram per dl. B. 13 to 20 gram per dl. C. 11 to 15 gram per dl. D. 13 to 15 gram per dl. Answer A. 13 to 70 gram per dl. Next question. Transport media used for Vibrio cholera in stool. Option A. VR medium. B. Autoclaved seawater. C. Carrie Blair. D. All of above. Answer D. All of above. Next question. Needles granules are found in cytoplasm of option A. Nephron. B. Neuron. C. RBC. D. Hepatocyte. Answer B. Neuron. Next question. Which of the following substance is not present in tear? Answer D. IgE. Next question. Example for a protozoan parasite. Option A. Ascaris. B. Plasmodium. C. Enterobius. D. Taenia species. Answer B. Plasmodium. Next question. The primary visual area in the occipital lobe correspond to area blank in the cerebral cortex. Option A 41 and 42, B 18, C 19, D 17. Answer D 17. Next question. The organ system which get affected by AIDS disease is. Answer C. Immune system. Next question. Which of the following statement is true about the IgM of human? Answer A. IgM is primarily restricted in the circulation. Next question. Where is acetylcholine present? Option A. Around the neuron. B. Around the nerve. C. Neuromuscular. D. Nephron. Answer C. Neuromuscular. ये तक थी आज की मैराथन क्लास। उम्मीद करता हूँ इस मैराथन से बहुत फ़ायदा मिलेगा। नेक्स्ट पार्ट एग्ज़ाम के कुछ दिन पहले होगा। डियर स्टूडेंट, आई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड वीडियो को सभी के पास शेयर कर दीजिए। जय हिंद।